The MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 is a powerful and the most commonly used trading software by traders to access the financial market globally. MT4 was specifically built for Forex traders, whereas MT5 was designed to provide traders with access to non-Forex CFDs. In this tutorial, I will show you the 3 essential ways to manage your trades on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. And this efficient 3 ways are: 1. How to set take profit on the MT4 or MT5. 2. How to set stop loss on the MT4 or MT5 to avoid unwanted loss. 3. How you can set trailing stop on the MT4 or MT5 in order to prevent the market taking back your profit. I believe you have installed this trading app on your device. If you haven't, you can visit your chosen broker website or the MetaTrader official website. Take note, trying to download MT4 on the MetaTrader official website will end up downloading MT5. Therefore, download MT4 on your broker's website. Here's the MetaTrader 4 trading software. And this is the MetaTrader 5 trading software. There are 2 ways to execute take profit target on the MT4 and MT5 trading software. Method 1. Click on New Order option here. Fill the market asset you want to trade, the volume or position size, and set the take profit target price level here. You need to accept the terms and conditions before you can initiate a trade for the first time. And once you execute the trade, the take profit target would reflect automatically. Take note, your take profit should be higher than your entry level is you are buying an asset. Likewise, your take profit should be lower than your entry if you are selling an asset. Method 2. Execute your entry order through the filling market order box here. And once your order is executed, you need to place your mouse on the order line and move the entry line to the direction of your market anticipation of the price level target. Stop loss is intended for reducing losses where the financial asset price moves in an unprofitable direction. To apply stop loss on the MT4 and MT5 requires a small process when setting your take profit target. After the position size and asset information have been set, you can manually input the stop loss price level on the trade execution parameters settings box here. Take note, stop loss should be lower than price entry for a buy anticipation, while stop loss should be higher than price entry for a sell anticipation. Method 2 for setting stop loss is simply moving the horizontal line of price entry below the buy entry price, or moving the horizontal line of price entry above the sell entry price level, as we can see how the line moves accordingly now. Same applies to both the MT4 and MT5 trading software. Trailing stop is an order used to protect accumulated profit in the market. Whenever a position becomes profitable, stop loss can be manually shifted to a break-even level. To automate this process, trailing stop was created. This tool is especially useful when price changes strongly in the same direction, or when it is impossible to watch the market continuously for some reason. There are 2 methods to set trailing stops on the MT4 and MT5. The first step to set the trailing stop is to open the Position tab or Trade folder. As you can see, here is an active position I have. All I need to do is right-click on the tab, and which will pop up lists of options. These lists of options include the trailing stop settings. And here it is. These are the available points of trailing, or you can simply manually set your preferred trailing points through the custom option here. You can select the desirable value of distance between the stop loss level and the current price in this list opened. Take note, only one trailing stop can be set for each open position. On the MT4, there would be an appearance of yellow-colored box of the stop loss folder section. But on the MT5, there won't be a shaded part of the stop loss section, as we can see here on the MT5. To delete a trailing stop, you simply need to repeat the steps for its setup and click on the Delete All option here to terminate the tailing profit. The None option can also be selected to cancel the trailing stop. Method 2 is to place your mouse on the order line, right-click on the chart, and navigate to select the trailing stop option. Select your desired trailing points, or manually input your desired trailing profit points through the custom option. Trailing stop works in the client terminal and not in your broker server, unlike the stop loss or take profit. This is why it will not work if your trading terminal is off. In this case, only the stop loss level will trigger that has been set by the trailing stop. Trailing stop is processed once per tick. If multiple orders with trailing stop are open for one symbol, only the trailing stop of the latest open order is processed.